The world is changing. In diverse aspects, it is growing. As population increases rapidly every year, energy supply across nations become deficient. Hydroelectricity is the most utilized form of energy, especially in Africa. Lots of other resources such as wind, solar, sea waves, and even waste are being untapped. What if we could adapt other means of generating energy? What if electricity could be transmitted to remote areas, rural areas, and villages? What if we could reduce electricity bills so low that we could all find a sense of freedom in energy supply? Let's dive into some clean energies that can be harnessed. Number 1. Biogas production. Animal and human waste can be put to much use in relation to energy generation. When put in an anaerobic biodigester, the exposure of the waste to bacteria transforms it into liquid form. Eventually, biogas is released, which can be used to generate power, fuel, and the leftover in the biodigester can be used as fertilizer. By so doing, the air pollutants emitted from manure, including methane, nitrous oxide, ammonia, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and all can be reduced. In Cameroon, this method is used to power homes. An experiment undertaken in the Netherlands reported that an anaerobic biodigester can produce 9,342 kilowatts of electricity, which is enough to power 3 homes for a whole year. Possible, isn't it? Number 2. The Envelox technology. Let's talk about wind, the resource which is so free but not utilized to its potential. We mostly know of the conventional wind turbine as means of converting free wind into energy, but the Envelox is a new technology in wind that outperforms the traditional wind turbines. Envelox turbines are designed to produce milliwatts of electricity. The new turbines can be installed on rooftops as well as in parks and public places. They can also be used if natural disasters such as earthquakes and floods occur. The Envelox technology has turbines which deliver significantly higher output at reduced cost. In addition, the turbines do not need to necessarily be installed in windy areas. Tests conducted on the Envelox prove that the turbines can generate 6 times more energy than the amount produced by traditional turbines mounted on towers. Besides, the cost of producing wind energy with the Envelox are lower. Delivering electricity with prices that can compete with natural gas and hydropower. Thus, over regular wind turbine systems, the Envelox technology offers low production costs, easy maintenance and repair, and clean energy as its advantages. Number 3. Solar energy whether rain or shine. Scientists in China produce solar panels that can generate power from additional unexpected source, rainwater. When mounted on panels, sunlight is converted into DC electrical supply. Energy is stored in batteries and inverters, which can convert this to a usable AC power supply. With these innovative solar panels, electricity is produced even with cloud cover and rain. It is very reliable as it is zero carbon and it is 100% renewable. Number 4. Carnegie Energy. In Australia, a firm known as the Carnegie Energy creates underwater buoys that convert sea waste into zero-emission energy as they desalinate the seawater. The buoys, which are made of steel, are designed to withstand extreme underwater damage, whereas the underwater waves build up to generate underwater power. Undergoing thousands of hours of in-ocean operational testing, the Carnegie Energy has been proven to be environmentally friendly, has minimal visual impact, and causes no harm to marine life as the zero-emission electricity is generated. The technology is fully submerged and operates in deep water, away from breaking storm waves and beachgoers. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something new today. Leave a comment below so that we can address your concerns. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for others to know as well. See you all on the next video of our cache.